I'm Raga. I live in California, blessed with a lovely family and two wonderful kids. When we live overseas, we are more conscious about our kids being close to our culture and tradition. With that fear, I started doing Indian events in the city I live. It's been 4 years, and the last 4 years journey, I came across many women, and every single person I met had a spark in them, had a special talent in them. However, with our busy schedules, we are not giving time or untapping that potential. That's the reason for me to start Talent Next Door, to bring those talents to you all, not just for the well-being of them, but for the well-being of society. Let's learn from each other and inspire each other. Talent Next Door.
As moms, we all stock up on the fever meds, cough drops, nasal sprays, etc. etc. We stock up because as mothers we plan, we want to keep our kids healthy. So what else do? We have to plan and have herbs in our backyard or our living spaces. That is the one important step we forget. And once we have that going, we will see so much benefit from the herbs that we grow in our own living spaces. And today I want to talk to you about a particular herb which caters to all of these above ailments. Do you happen to know which herb I'm talking about?
I guess it could be Mexican mint because you gifted me earlier.
Bang on, girl. That is the one I'm talking about. And yes, I'm going to show you how to plant this little wonder herb that you can grow right in your backyard. Come on. All you need is a friendly neighbor who can give you a cutting of the Mexican mint leaf. And this is how it looks. Go and get a tender cutting. I usually do a cross cut on this. Just this way. And there you go. You have this one strand. This is all you need to plant in your backyard. And the next thing you need is a pot and a little bit of mud to go with it, which I have it ready right here. So all I'm going to do right now is add some water, moisten the soil, and plant my Mexican mint leaf right here. Get a white pot, which helps because this herb is going to spread like a weed and you will have lots of Mexican mint for your family. Plant it in your backyards, patios. Is a very easy plant to grow and it has so much health benefits, especially for cough, cold, fevers, skin rashes, and people can use it on a daily basis to drink the juice of Mexican mint.
Thank you, Shilpa. I personally use it all the time for my son. I have in the boiling water, I add this herb along with some ginger and tulsi. I boil it, and once the water is ready, boiled water, I add some lemon and honey, and I give it to my son. He loves it. It helps with cough and congestion. One more thing, there's a Mexican mint recipe which Shilpa showed. You can use it have it for lunch and dinner. Do try it. Thank you. Thanks for watching.